that's on top here.
Somebody already answered for our doors.
Anywhere on that top side, right? Small one. Sign anywhere. There's another beam that's a larger one that we can only sign on the top of that one.
I don't know where it is.
I don't know where. Whatever you want to do. Nothing derogatory. So you write your name anywhere on it, and they're going to put them up in places. That's about it. Alrighty. All right, well, so we can work our way over. Lieutenant Batch has pens and markers. I have one, so Brandon Sharp's over there. So here we go.
Hey. Yo, sorry. Where are you? How come you're not here? At 9th and Marion Fire Station, we can find the beat. All right. Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. You were the big one behind us, buddy.
Thanks. How would you like, sir? Sign my name. Whatever you want to, sir.
Mike, where's the little one going?
Top corner up here.
Top corner. Thank you.
Yay!
Ready.
I just want to pause for a second to acknowledge, first of all, how fitting it was that former Councilman Strat Memrose was the first one to sign this beam, as he has probably been the biggest advocate to make this happen. So, Strat, on behalf of the citizens of Reading, especially here in the Northeast, we say thank you for not giving up. And on behalf of the firefighters, I'm sure they would agree with me. And also saying thank you for making a new home where they could work out of and a safe and a welcoming environment. So thank you for that, sir, to say the least. For me personally, it gives me great honor because I know this was probably 15 years in the making, I've been told. A lot of yes, maybe, and ifs. But, you know, it just shows that when you collaborate and you create synergy, as I often talk about, and creating a better Reading, anything is possible. So today I am here humbly to say that it gives me pleasure that I'll leave a little bit of a legacy that this project was started under our administration. But most importantly, I'm here to say thank you to the men and women that keep our city safe and protected. And it's only fair that you have a welcoming place to come and work that is safe and again is somewhere that you call home. And for many years, I hope to continue to have a long-lasting career. And I can't wait to come and have some lunch because I've been told the firefighters are some of the best cooks. So with that said, congratulations to each and every one of you. I'm going to ask Chief to say a few words, and then we're going to invite Councilwoman and Strat to also say a few words. Chief.
Yes, just to reiterate, as the mayor pointed out, everybody knows it's a large backing from Councilman Marmaru. He pushed for this for years. Glad to see it come together. I know the guys that work in the station here are looking forward to it, and everybody is. It's just going to be a great thing for the department, and I hope that this is a step in the right direction for the future, and perhaps looking at some other options for older buildings too. And I, obviously want to leave Chief Bill behind. I mean, he was a big part of all this. When I came into my position, my first meeting, I believe I said to Christian, who's the project manager, is I said, only thing I know is they're building a firehouse at this corner. That's all I knew about it. So, but we're moving forward, and I'm looking forward to this opening up. And thank you all for being here, and everybody, who's, stay safe out there. And and I know I truly appreciate the work that everybody does each and every day. Thank you.
Sure.
I'll make it very brief. I'm very sorry that my wife could not be here. She passed away 2 years ago, but it was because of what took place on the first tour I made of my district when I was elected. And we came down here and was talking to the firemen, and she had to use the facilities. And it was embarrassing to hear her screaming. I went up to see what was wrong. She said the whole place is filthy, full of bugs and everything. And there was growth coming through the bricks. And I vowed that I would do something to correct this. Okay, and I fought for three administrations to get it approved, and I'm so glad we're all together now to see this happen. And thank you.
Excuse me. In writing, there seems to be prevailing attitude that good things take time. So finally, something really good is happening here. So I just want to thank all our wonderful firefighters, first responders. You guys are fabulous. There's not a day goes by that myself and my fellow counselors aren't appreciative of everything you do. You truly are. We hope that we can do some things to ease the way going forward. Hopefully, with personnel to help you guys out with, and certainly the working conditions to work with the administrations to make sure your working situations are better. So we appreciate, again, everything you do, the fact that you put your lives on the line every single day you come to work. It does not go unnoticed by us, and it certainly doesn't go unnoticed by the residents of the city of Reading. So thank you very much, and it's great fun to be able to sign this. The last time was the arena back in 2001 when that was going up, or 2000. So it's fun to be able to sign another boon for posterity. So thank you.
Also, if I may add, I forgot to mention those individuals that are part of the construction, Boyle and every company that has been involved in making this project completion come through. Again, thank you to y'all. I can't wait to again be here to cut the ribbon. I've been told in September. No, I'm just kidding. No, but again, thank you all. God bless. Chief.
Yes.
What's the time that?
Huh? Everybody here can sign it. Yep. So, if you want to come up in no particular order, sign it. There's plenty of markers here. To have an extra one. There's a pink one. Like I said, that beam, the small beam, can be signed anywhere, the top, side, bottom, wherever. And then there's a larger beam that can be signed on top. Once everybody is all signed and wants to sign it, then you guys will put your names on it. I'll put it on our head, and then after that, we'll have Schultz lift the beam in place, and we're good. Everybody's going to sign it.
You can sign anywhere on this one, too.
Oh my gosh, it's consumed.
All right.
It starts coming.
I'll complain to you and me later on.
Oh, he will.
His thing,
I'm gonna blame it all on you. I'm gonna blame it all on banks.
good. Ron, you gonna put that on your shoulder?
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
How much is this worth?
Well, one of them.
Oh, that's too much for me.
Right, buddy?